Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making pan-seared scallops. Scallops are a seafood that I find a lot of people hold as like something really fancy and for special occasions, but they're incredibly easy and fast to cook. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's take a look what we need, alright? Naturally, fresh is best. However, I live 900 to 1,000 kilometers away from the nearest coastline, so I'm using a package of frozen large scallops. We're also going to need 20 to 30 grams of butter, salt, and pepper. If you are using pre-packaged frozen scallops like I am today, make sure to defrost them according to the package directions and drain any excess fluid from the package before preparing them. Line a dinner plate with paper towel and lay the scallops out on the paper towel. Take another layer of paper towel and pat the scallops dry. The reason we do this is that we want to sear the scallops. If we don't pat them dry and remove any excess liquid from the scallops before they go in the pan, when they're in the pan, the liquid will release and we'll start boiling them instead. That's not what we want. Add your butter to a frying pan. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Allow the butter to melt and the pan to heat up. Now that the butter and pan are nice and hot, add your scallops to the pan for 5 minutes, flipping them over once. Add salt and pepper after you turn them. We're 2 minutes in. You can already see how even though I pat them dry, there's some extra liquid in the pan. So let's flip them over. Add some salt and some pepper. You don't need much. After 5 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and serve your scallops. Serve the scallops themselves. Drain any of the liquid that's still left in the pan. You don't want that. That's basically just salt water. Today I'm serving my pan-seared scallops with spaghetti squash and a cucumber and tomato salad. And there you have it. As you can see, scallops are extremely fast and easy to make. They are not necessarily the special occasion thing that I find many people think them to be. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.